Yeah, what's up everybody? Mr. Nationwide here. So anyway, we're going to do a oil change on Yukon. I got the park brake set, so that's why the daytime run lights aren't on. Yeah, so I had to put some well, anyway, I had to put some motor flush. Yeah, just to, you know, loosen up some gunk and oil and everything, clean up the whole oil pan and stuff. This is some stuff I got oil change process, you know, for that damn slow leak on the oil pan gasket on the oil cooler lines. So first off, I gotta put this stuff. Yeah, it's an oil stabilizer from Lucas. It has a stop leak. Yeah, the old core in there first, and put the rest with oil. So they got the Valvoline Maxlife. There's the 10W30. It's thicker, but it'll minimize the leaks. But I'm not going to use it in the winter time, so I probably had to change that around January when the oil change is due. I'm not going to do 5,000 miles on it because, you know, it's supposed to get colder, especially on January and February. It snows. That's when it snows in North Carolina, so that's like twice in the year. So I want to at least go back to 5W30 just for wintertime operation, and then put back 10W30 when it gets warmer. Because if you have thicker oil during the winter time, it starts to gel up and it'll be harder to start, and it won't be as fuel efficient. Conquest filters, yeah, I've been using these for a year, and a couple jobs I worked in had those. And then into the greaser slash degreaser, just to clean up all those oil spills everywhere. I gotta get the creeper. This brake cleaner, you can use that to clean off all the oil and everything off. So I need to connect that hose with the other one in the front, just to clean underneath the truck, and it'll be good to go. And this is oil drain pan I use at work, like underneath these trucks that we can't put on the lifts. But well, I did an oil change on a Ford Power Stroke yesterday. That's a 6.0. That's 15 quarts. I was able to fit all of that in there. I was impressed. Except I had to close that cap for a little. I had to close the drain plug for a little bit to let all the oil in there, and then take the oil, you know, the plug back in just to drain all that in there. And I always clean it after I'm done. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I had to clean up all this oil residue on the cross motor, the axle, pin, and all that. So that's why I got the greaser and brake cleaner to clean all that, and just hose it down after I'm done. Then just gotta inspect this every week to see if there's any leaks. And wherever the oil pan gasket seam is at underneath the pan, put that red RTV gasket seam on, just put it like on the outside of it, you know, just to see if there's any leaks whatsoever. So anyway, I gotta wait till the engine cools before I drain all the oil out. So anyway, we're at 216,865 miles. Yeah. I also got some Monster Energy. So anyway, this is what I'm going to use for the oil pan gasket, the seam. Yeah, just put that around. So it's like a tube of toothpaste. Just go around that after I clean up everything, and then I see if there's any leaks whatsoever. So anyway, I got to top off some Dex Cool. Oops. And add some water. I know it's a little bit full, but it'll flow through right here. See what it looks like now. Probably had to fill up just a tiny bit in there on the rear side. But I'm pretty sure the reservoir there with this little hose will fill the rest inside of it right here. Yeah, that's just a center cap sticker for GMC, but it's not really, I mean, it's still the stock radiator cap. I just stick this center cap sticker on it to give it a custom look. And then when I get a Chevy, put it on with the bow tie. Okay, right now we're going to drain the oil. Yeah, usually when I do the oil changes, I got a breaker bar, but I forgot to bring it. And I got my stamp-on sockets. I want to stamp on a creeper. Hold on, I forgot something. Well, yeah, I did change a whole Silverado, same year as this one, same everything except it's a pickup. But the way I did oil change on it was just that, well, it was at work, and then there was a lift. Hold on, it's fucking rag. Somebody put glue in it. Close one. I may have to get some kitty litter to clean up that small oil spill. There too. Yep, and after everything is all the oil is drained out, then I'm going to try to clean up underneath best way I can. Well, actually, I need to get the filter off too. It's gonna be kind of tricky. Especially how they mount this, the filter on four-wheel drive model. And two-wheel drive models are easy to get to because you don't have the axle in the way, the drive shaft. And I think they have it more vertical. And it's a different filter size as well. Yep, AAA oil. Oh, that sounds like the mail truck is coming. I can tell because they're the only ones that had that. Well, not the only one, but they had that 2.5 liter Iron Duke 4-cylinder S10 on it. So yeah, that sound, yeah, it is familiar. So that's how I know it's a mail truck. Yep. Every drop out. Now at the house I can take my time with this. At work you couldn't anyway. Be very fast. Sometimes I take shortcuts here and there. Yeah, especially, you know, when the vehicle's up there, you know, I do other things like check the suspension and then check the differential fluid and the drainage case fluid. I'm gonna get to that next. Like where's the look for the drain plug on it, which yeah, I think I found it. But some of them there's like one plug that you fill up, the other one you drain. So I don't want to get those two mixed up. But this is a swap-in transfer case, so that was 2 years ago. Alright. About to inspect the threads on the whole. Okay. Oh, and then sometimes like places that only, these shops that only do the oil changes, you know, express lube and all that, like lube. Some of those guys, they hire morons, because what they do, they use an air ratchet just to take out the drain plug and then put it back on, which is stupid. You got to do it by hand with a socket or a ratchet wrench or wrench. Plus they use a freaking filter wrench to tighten up the damn filter, and you're supposed to do it hand tight with a rag. Morons. Any more than that. Oh, with torque. Oh, with 3/8 torque wrench for drain plugs, that'd be easy. Just had to know the torque spec of that drain plug. Be good to go. Now I'm going to switch camera angles. Well, since I got the wheel well splash guard out of the way, you can see how easy it is to get the filter. But look no further, we'll just use the special oil filter remover that you put on the ratchet. Put it like a socket, so I'm going to see if I can use a universal joint See if I get it off like that. But I need to put some rags over the front differential and drive shaft just so I wouldn't get so much oil on it. Alright, now we're going to try to get the filter off. It's a little bit tricky. I've done this on coming, so it's the trickiest. Move just a tiny bit. Yeah, ain't no fucking room. Let's see what I get. Oh yeah, this is a bummer. Either my arm is not long enough or my arm's not skinny enough to fit through there. Let's see. Okay, I think it's moving. Alright. Let's see if it's spin it. Okay, it's turned. Eureka. Let's just turn it a little bit. Goes on the right side. Okay, yeah, that's the rag I was talking about. Throw about a huge one in the front drive shaft. Smell a little bit. Oop, oop, oop. Alright. Okay, it is on the drain pan there. Okay, it's a little tiny bit. Yeah. Question is, how am I going to get it back on from this side? Oh, shoot. Oh, okay. I got it. Got worried about spilling on the driveway. Okay. Huh. Oh, wait, no, Dirk's Bentley's on. Oh, yeah. And what I usually do, clean off the oil filter housing. I'm not sure if you can see it. Huh? I think you can see it. Let's clean that up real nice and good. Just in case the gasket from the old oil filter stuck on, you don't want to put the new oil filter with the gasket, double gasket, and then fucking leak and spill it over the floor. I've seen that happen a dozen times. And it's not pretty. Well, first time I saw that, luckily the system manager wasn't on site, or he would have had fit. Alright. Okay, I got the new filter on me. Carcless. The part number, in case you need it for this kind of truck, R85036. R85036. And it's in 3 languages, in English, French, and Spanish. So you just get a Carcless. These are like one of the best filters. But if I were you, I wouldn't buy a frame filter from Walmart, because frame filters are junk. See, what they do is just don't get the accurate oil pressure you need. I learned that by experience. So just put a little bit of oil on the new gasket, and since we got the housing ring clean, I think we'll be able to put it on this way. tricky here. Bear with me. Okay, I think I got it. Yep, screwed on. Right on. Okay. When it feels like it's slippery a little bit, you get yourself a rag, tighten up the rest. Don't be like these idiots that use a filter wrench to tighten up the damn filter. That's why it's so hard to get off the next person doing an oil change. It fucking pisses me off every time I do that. I mean, that happens to me. Fucking morons. Yeah. Especially if you work in a shop, always put your old old caddy. Get the filters out. And empty out at all times. Alright. You get that grip. Now you can see the CarQuest logo from there. Neat. Okay, we're gonna try to clean up underbelly. First use the brake cleaner. This shit ain't working. Oh. Well, we're gonna switch to plan B, that ball of engine degreaser. Get it that hose. Oh yeah, this stuff smells good. It smells like oranges. Because it's citrus. Alright. Yeah, the other side of my truck's gonna smell like orange juice, which ain't bad. It's better than smelling like oil or bad smoke and all that
crap.
See, I get out the damn brush.
Transmission leaking, so I'm gonna go in it.
Sorry.